It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're camping. I'm here with my lovely girlfriend Sylvia, and we decided to go on a spontaneous little trip to the south of Belgium. We just decided yesterday that we're gonna go the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we arrived at this beautiful little spot. There's no electricity, there is a magnificent view right here. I mean, magnificent, it's not like the Alps, but I mean, it's peaceful in nature. So yeah, and it was said that there would be a great storm this weekend, so that's why we almost didn't go. But we thought, hey, the weather's always wrong, so let's just go. And it turns out we're right, it's not really that bad. It's a bit rainy. We already went for a walk. It's raining, man! Hallelujah! This is hail! In the same pathway that we walked on, I did that also with the motorcycle, and it was doable. It was really slippery and all that, but it was really fun. I had my two panniers on each side, and then on one pannier I had the chairs and the tent, and on the other the sleeping bags, and on the back I had the dog carrier for Tillo. So yeah, and then her on the back. So it was really heavy, but it was doable. We tried to pack as light as we could. So I could feel that it's a big difference if you really pack smart and don't bring all the stuff that you don't need. I think it's optimal if you're alone on the bike, then it's perfect, but it's doable with two people. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this little video of us camping this weekend. Geen hol zien. highest point of Belgium, a whopping 693 meters.
694.
94, oh my god.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the highest point in Belgium. We thought it was a good destination because there would be a lot of hills, but it's kind of flat here because we're just going up it, and then there's a kind of a flat area, so not really any magnificent hills. So we arrived here yesterday. It was pretty good weather.
Pretty good, as in we expected the storm and it rained a bit.
Yeah, and it was a bit sunny at some point, so it was pretty good. And today was we had almost no sleep because we just didn't sleep that good because of the first night in the tent, and it was loud with all the rain on the tent. And then this morning it was really cold, but still better than sitting at home. But yeah. We have made it to the highest point in Belgium. We're at 700 meters. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I should say it's something incredible, but it's actually pretty pathetic. Pathetic. Pathetic.
Pathetic.
Pathetic. I should say it's something incredible, but it's actually pretty pathetic. Pathetic.
Pathetic.
Pathetic.
Pathetic.
Pathetic. We walked for about, I don't really know, it felt like 3 hours, and the last part we had to go back via the main road because we got a bit lost. But anyways, we got back, and then we ate something in this little restaurant here. Now we're going back. Alright, I'm gonna show you my setup real quick. We left the camping already. We're just riding around twisties, and this is the setup. So on the right side I have my tent and the chairs, and here on the left we have the sleeping bags and the mattresses what we lay on. And then in the panniers we have all the cooking gear, our clothes, and all of the things we need to shower and all that. So yeah, all the rest of the stuff. And then here on the top is the suitcase for our dog, Tilo. He really enjoys riding the motorcycle, I think. You can never know, but he sticks his head out and he looks around, and he's really relaxed. So yeah, now we're gonna leave again. So let's hit the twisties. Say it a million times. Say it a million more times. And the word you'll have said 2 million times is...